Hi everyone, so today I'm going to take you through this animation that I created in After Effects, and I'm going to show you the process of it. It's a slit scan effects, and yeah, it's going to be an interesting one, so let's get into it. 1080 by 1350 composition, 25 frames per second, and maybe 6 seconds. Get some text. Let's go for some Arial text, bold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack the text on top of each other like this. So I'm just going to put slide, and I might stretch it a bit, joint proportions off, so just messing with this. Probably have it like this. And just probably size it down a little. Right, once we got that, then we can move on to the animation side of things. And what we're going to start by doing is going to the position keyframes by clicking P on the text layer that we've got. And so the position, it will start there, and then it will go here, so just some basic animation, this so far, and then we'll copy the last keyframe, and then we'll copy the first keyframe, and we'll flip them. So it goes from here to that. Right, that's the basic animation now. And what we're going to do next is we're going to get a solid. For the solid, we're going to go for a gradient map. And then we can hide that layer. So what we want to do on this layer is go to time displacement, and then go and connect to the black solid layer that we've got. I should name that gradient. So we connect it to the gradient layer, and for the source we do effects and masks. So this is the animation that we've got at the moment, which doesn't really have that much flow, and we're going to make it more interesting. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to take these keyframes and we're going to easy ease these keyframes, and then we're going to adjust the anchor points for the easy ease, so it's like a mountain. And now from doing that, we've got this animation, which is a lot better than what we had. Do is probably adjust this to our liking as well. So I'll put this to 0.3 max displacement time, 0.6 I guess. Let's see how that is. Yeah, that's better. We'll take this position keyframe at the start and we'll copy it to this after the last keyframe. We're going to click the Option key or Alt key if you're on Windows. We're going to hold that down while we click the stopwatch, and then we can paste an expression. And for this expression, we're going to put loop. We're going to put loop out. And then if we drag this out more, This will continue to loop like this. Now we're going to look into a smooth sequence for this loop. Go to 2 seconds, and this can be our start frame. So it will start there and it will end here. And then we have our smooth loop going on right here. So this is how I created this animation with time displacement using a gradient map. It creates an interesting effect, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something from this. And yeah, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.